Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Let's get into it. First, go to the computer creation page. The first step is to open your main dashboard and find the button that lets you build new digital machines. You need to get to the right setup screen before you can start picking the parts for your computer. Log into your main account, click the big menu button at the top left, and select the option to build a new computer. Look for the button that says Create a VM instance and click on it to start a new task. You need to tell the system that you want to start a brand new machine from scratch. You have to open this setup wizard so the computer can show you all the choices you need to make. Without this step, you would just be looking at your empty dashboard instead of building your new tool. Next, name your machine and pick the system. You need to give your new digital computer a simple name so you can find it later, and choose the type of software it will run. Type a simple name into the first box and scroll down to the area that talks about the computer's internal system. Click the Edit button to pick the type of software you want, like a standard free option, and close that box. Choosing the internal system tells the computer how it should behave and what kind of menus it will show you when you turn it on. It ensures that your new digital machine has the right foundation for whatever tools you plan to run on it. Next, save your security keys. Scroll down to the security section and locate your private IP and save it in a safe folder on your desktop where you won't lose it. This is the most important part because the cloud system will not let you log into your new computer without this secret key. By saving it now, you are making sure your workspace stays locked and safe from strangers. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.